Welcome to How to Play Football Squares. To play, you will need a Football Squares template. You can download this one for free through the link in this video's description. Football Squares is a luck-based game. Simply match the last digit of each football team's score to its square on the grid. If your square lines up with the score at the end of a quarter, you win. To start, write the home team name across the top and the away team name on the side of the template. Players will then take turns choosing squares by writing their name in the square they want. Players can pick one square or several, depending on how many players you have. Traditionally, a small amount of money is charged for each square to build a pot, which is then split up as prize money for the winners. Once all the squares are filled in, randomly assign numbers 0 through 9 across the top row and the left column. You can use slips of paper, cards, or an online number randomizer to keep it fair. Once the numbers are assigned, you are all set up. At the end of the first quarter, check the last digit of each team's score. Here, it is 0 for the home team and 4 for the away team. Find the square that matches the column for the home team's digit and the row for the away team's digit. The person whose name is in that square wins the prize for that quarter. You will repeat this for all 4 quarters. Before the game begins, be sure everyone knows what the payouts will be for winning. You could split it evenly for each quarter, or make the final score worth a little more. If you want to keep it family-friendly or kid-safe, you can skip the money and play for prizes instead, like snacks, gift cards, or simply a bragging rights trophy. This makes the game perfect for football parties with guests of all ages. If you have a smaller group, try the 5x5 version of the game. Create a grid with 25 squares instead of 100. Then randomly assign 2 numbers to each row and each column, covering 0 to 9. When checking scores, the last digit of each team's score just has to match either number in the row or column. This makes the game more manageable for smaller groups of people while keeping the excitement high. If you enjoyed learning how to play football squares and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.